I was not the speaker in 2015.
Honorable Chair,
Yes.
Honorable Chair, I was a member.
No, I don't want the answer yet. I want to say exactly what I want answered, but you don't answer before I ask the question. My question was, in 2015, the Gazette notice was very specific. It was very specific to the three, which is what we do, our practice in Senate. You cannot go to Turkana without gazetting Turkana on the day, on the specific dates. In fact, our procedure is a bit lengthy because there is a debate. In fact, we fight over where the next venue would be. When it is done, it comes to the House. Then we choose that place. Once we have chosen the venue, like we chose Turkana previously, it is Turkana that is gazetted.
Okay.
Now, in the case of this, you have gazetted very meticulously, or whoever that speaker was, gazetted meticulously the specific places where you are going to sit. But in this one, there is no, was there any reason why you left that? Because the same article gives you the powers to go anywhere. Okay. Now you are not going back to the same venues.
We will ask for more, we'll do more intelligence.
Thank you. Honorable Chair.
Order. We are not giving any more time. We are time back.
Honorable Chair.
Now,
Honorable Chair.
Hold on, let me finish. Now that you have heard both of the sides, the committee will take charge now. We will follow up all these issues. We will take our legal team to interpret whatever you have said, and all these standing orders. Then we will refer back. Meanwhile, I want only one clarification from you.
Thank you.
One.
Thank you.
Nyamira.
Yes.
No, I want one thing. Were you a member of the county assembly before? Now?
Yes, I was serving my third term.
Third term?
Yes.
Now, have you assumed to be the speaker?
Yes.
Did you resign?
That matter is the motion that is in court.
No.
And then I will not answer it here.
Just answer.
Yes.
Did you resign?
Not resign.
Yeah, of course, yes.
You resigned from being an MCA?
Yes, I did a letter. And wherever I did with it.
I want you to say yes or no. You are still an MCA.
Until the IPC declares all yeah. I did a letter.
Through the chair.
Okay, we'll interpret.
Through the chair. I'd like to remind Nyabaro that he's under oath. He's still under oath.
Yes.
And he's lying through his teeth.
Okay.
To this committee.
You're under oath, and I think that will take you back. So on serious note.
I pray, Chair, that you repeat that question to him.
You are a member of parliament, I mean the county assembly of Nyamira. Say yes or no. You are a member.
As at now?
Yes.
Yes, because I'm a
That's
member.
it.
Because
Order.
you know, under Section County Government Act, Section 7B,
that will be done by our team.
a speaker is a member, an ex officio.
No, you are an elected member of the assembly. Elected member or nominated?
Elected.
Specifically, Karenya what?
Okay. Have you been a member of, any one time or now? Were you a deputy speaker?
Deputy speaker, yes.
Before you resumed this one?
Yes.
You were a deputy speaker?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then after that, acting speaker.
And now?
Yeah.
Not acting?
And now elected as a speaker.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you are still an MCA?
I did a resignation.
Okay. We will interpret that one. Okay.
Through the chair.
The question whether they forwarded it or not.
Through the chair and through your legal team.
Parting shot, Honorable
Chair,
Chair.
there is
No party shop.
Chair,
We have time back.
there is a matter.
Honorable Chair, if I can't say this.
Mine was not answered. I was told the mess is. People shouted and said we are here.
Yes.
I wanted to know from the sergeant at arms. From the sergeant at arms. From the sergeant at arms that the mess has always been with that camp.
Yes.
So the only time it left Nyamira is when it came here.
Yes.
You submit these things. You want to tell us which is which? Which is the original one and you're saying the one is illegal? Which one the mess? Are they two? Which is genuine and which is not genuine?
The other team have theirs. They have, and we wanted them to
Honorable
produce it,
Chair, if we dwell on that, because I don't find it prudent
So when
for
we
the
can
honorable
cure
members
the
to talk about
stalemate?
the mess. A mess is a symbol of authority. Where is the authority? And the mess, they must be together. So if I bring a mess and I give it to you, Honorable Chair, will you become the Speaker of Nyamira County Assembly? You cannot. So it must be the symbol and the authority. So you cannot separate the two. Thank
Where
you.
was it given?
The MCA
Honorable
speaker
Chair.
seems...
So can you operate without a mess?
Through you, Chair,
So can you operate without a mess?
could I just make my closing remarks?